Look at it. Go look in the mirror in the front room.
Go look in the mirror?
Yeah, it looks really good. Cute. Cute. I like it, Grandma. Where'd you get it?
I had it a couple years ago. I don't go nowhere anymore. I got a lot of velour outfits I wear when I go out, you know.
I love it.
And I
Shoulder
wear
pads, just add something to it. Just
Tell her how much you love it.
make me look manly.
Tell her how much you love
This
it.
is lovely, Grandma. Oh, yes.
You like it?
Yes.
Yes.
It's cute on you.
dark.
Yes, it's cute
It's like
on
a
you.
I think
tuxedo
I should leave
thing.
it here.
It's like a tuxedo thing.
This is the way it goes.
Be nice.
Wait a minute. Wait,
Come on, Meg.
little girl. I'm a fashion designer.
You are?
The kids took Amy took my beautiful robe. She loved it, and I give her a beautiful long gown. Kids took some stuff.
Isn't that cute? That just screams 80s. I love it.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's cute on her with black. Huh?
Yeah. Good job, Grandma.
Huh?
Good job, Grandma. That was nice of you. Thank you.
You're welcome. It's just hanging there. You like it?
It is just gorgeous.
Come over here and look in the mirror.
I did.
Go,
I looked.
go with her.
And it goes, no, it's
What? You wanna go
nice
look at
and
it again?
warm. That little sweater wasn't warm.
No. Go ahead. Go with her, Grandma. Go look
With
at it.
me. Come, Grandma. Come on, crazy.
Come on, lady. I wish you a Merry Christmas.
Oh, yeah.
That's cute, huh?
Yeah.
Thanks, Grandma.
1960s decor.
Look,
Add up to
it fits
yeah.
perfect there.
Thank her, Meg. Give her a kiss and I'll get it. I'll
I
finish our
did.
tape.
Thank you, Grandma.
See,
You're
you
so
come
sweet.
off and you get stuff.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
You get neat stuff.
You know what Louie's daughter told me? I don't mean to brag. She says, of all the old ladies I've seen, she says, Grandma, she calls me Auntie, she says, you always dress nice. And I try to.
Well, look
you
at,
know?
of course, and look at, there's a good example right there. That red jacket just
Yeah.
it just shows your flair.
Nice and warm. You want a Kleenex put in there in case your nose runs?